Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. That's right, today I'm making what I call Veggie Lovers Mini Quiches. Yum yum, easy, delicious, and such a healthy choice for anytime brunch or breakfast. You guys, I have the ingredients here. Let's go check them out. Okay guys, have you noticed you saw all the ingredients with the measurements? I'll have it in my drop down menu. This recipe is so simple because it's what I call a garbage bowl drop, which means all the ingredients get dropped in your bowl and you just mix them. It's that simple. So there's really nothing. I mean, your red bell peppers, nice and chopped. You know how you like them. You chop your baby spinach. We also have our baby bella mushrooms that we chop up as well. So delicious. And keep in mind, the Parmesan cheese is going to be our salt element in this dish. Yum, yum. Look at this batter. Check this out, guys. Okay, so our batter is ready. So now, I'm going to show you how I took my favorite pie crust and made my little bases for my mini quiches. So let's check this out, guys. See that good there? So I have my little disc here, my big disc actually, of my pie crust. And always keep a little AP flour with you. I'm going to cut my little discs. So cute. Look at that. Look how cute is that? And I'm just going to drop it in my mini muffin tin right here. I'm going to do a couple more to show you. Very simple. You can use a regular round tip. I have the one with the little flowers on the edges. I think it's cute. I guess because I'm a girl, I just love cute things like that. Anything that's, when you make food beautiful, that's why plating is so important to me, you guys. It's always very important to me because it appeals to the eye. It makes it more appealing to the eye. That's why I like to do cute little things like this. You can pick this up, you can pick these up in a 5-pack at Walmart in the Wilton section. So simple. All right, so now that we have 6 of these, we're going to make 12 in this batch. So one disc will probably get you about 18 of these. I have 12 on my little board here. So I'm going to grab, guys, it's easier for me to use my scoop. See my scoop? So I'm going to use my little scoop, and we're going to scoop them in here in a few of them. I'm going to show you. Watch. Grab a little bit, not a lot. I'm going to put it in here. You know, if you feel that you need to put a little mushroom on top or a red pepper, that's fine. There's one. Make sure you spray your cupcake, your little mini cupcake pan, because you guys already know me. You know that to me everything sticks. So I like to keep all the sides clean, keep it all nice. Guys, these are so delicious. And those baby bella mushrooms make it taste so meaty. Oh my goodness. All right, so we've got some there. So when Carlito comes home, which he's in school right now, that's why he's not here with me, he's going to love this. This is such a great snack, guys. Always remember, you guys, so I've got 6 of them done, and I'm going to continue to do the rest. But always remember that you can make, in a big cupcake pan, you can make 50 of these, and you can freeze them in a Ziploc, and it'll take, for your kids, for you, for a snack, for a healthy snack, 30 to 35 seconds in the microwave for 2 or 3 of them. So very simple. And they'll last up to about a month and a half. Some people have it longer. I don't. I never keep it more than a month in my freezer. But they're great snacks to have. And they're a healthier version. Always remember the cream cheese that I put in here, the Onion and Chive cream cheese, which I purchased 7 ounces of, which means the small container is 7 ounces. So if you buy the big one, it's half of that. Just so you guys know, so you remember. And you do that, and that's the healthier side from the heavy cream. Because we all know that heavy cream is not too good for our arteries. So I try to teach my family and show them, and for myself, to try to make healthier versions of things. In actuality, because it's better for our bodies. So guys, when I come back, my little tray is going to be completely filled with my discs and my mixture, and we're going to put it in the oven. When I come back, I'm going to show it to you before I put it in the oven, and you don't want to miss this delicious, easy, either brunch item or snack or whatever you would like. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back for a second. Our tin is ready, and how easy was that? I mean, what a fun thing to make with your kids. I like to clean around the edges because I just like everything nice. It's just how I am. All right, here we go. Let me show you. Wait a second. I want to put a little bit, tiny bit more egg in that. You can eyeball how you like it. You know, you can add some more mushroom or some more, as much as you can fit in there. That's what it looks like. Our beautiful little mini Veggie Lovers quiches. Whoops. I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to drop these in the oven for 13 to 15 minutes. That's it. And you guys, when I come back, we are going to plate and taste. And you guys, you don't want to miss this easy, delicious Veggie Lovers mini quiches. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. And our mini quiches are out of the oven. Remember, if you have any mixture left over, you can make you can put it in your pan and make it like a scramble. It's so delicious because, of course, there's eggs in it. So let me show you what it looks like. It's hot. Look. Look how beautiful that looks. So what I do is take a butter knife. They're hot. It's very hot to take them out. Look at this. Ooh, it's hot. Sorry, guys. It's really hot. Look. Look how beautiful that is. Is that the cutest thing ever or what? Not only is it cute, but it's so delicious and it's good for you. They're that delicious. So as most of you also know, my cookbook is coming out soon. I had my first photo shoot last week, and it was weird. It was very exhilarating, and it was really nice. It really makes you feel like a celebrity. Excuse me, when you're in a nice professional photo studio with all those big lights and those aluminum foils, I call them. It was great. So I'm going to pick out my picture when they come out to see which one will be the best one for the cover of the cookbook. And guys, don't forget, my website is going live soon. Hopefully by next week it'll be live. All my recipes will be on there. For now, the recipe will be in the drop-down menu of this video, as well as you saw at the beginning when I showed you the ingredients. Look at this, guys. Check that out. Is that like the cutest little bites ever and so good for you? Yum, yum. So now, guys, I'm going to cut one in half and show you what it looks like in the middle. Oh, it's warm. Look at this. Let me lower this camera and show you. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Look at this, guys. How does that look? Yum. Oh, I've made these before. They're so delicious. And it makes my mouth water, and they're guilt-free. So they're good for us. So that's never, ever a bad thing either. All right, so now, guys, we're going to taste. You can actually put the whole one in your mouth. I'm going to take half because I cut it, and it's hot. Wow. Guys, so delicious. The creaminess is, oh, I'm sorry. Hot. The creaminess of the cream cheese and the meatiness of those baby bella mushrooms. Oh my God, so delicious. But you know me, I'm a double dipper, so I'll try it again just to make sure. Ooh, hot. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. My husband and son are going to love this. So guys, remember, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button and don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes. And of course, my two main ingredients in every recipe are passion and love. With those two as your main ingredient, Your recipe will not fail. I don't care what you look like. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. I don't care where you come from. Your recipe will not fail. I promise you that. And guys, remember my cookbook is coming out. I'll have links in the description once it comes out. I will also have my website live very soon. I apologize for the inconvenience, but it will be up very soon. And of course, my merch, which my brand has already been branded, and we are branding it ourselves. And the shirts will be coming out soon. We're very excited. It's been very, very busy. But guys, as always, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back. And I will see you guys then. Take great care, guys. Bye.